everybody. Welcome again to another episode of our Tambayan ng Asenso at Tagumpay. We welcome you to episode 5, and this is a hangout for people who would like to earn online and have the opportunity to have the time freedom and to build an income in the future. So we welcome you. I am Raquel. I am your host for tonight. I am originally from the Philippines. I am running my online business alongside being a part-time nurse, a mom, and a wife. We have two wonderful guests this evening, and they are coming all the way from the Philippines. So let me welcome you. Let's welcome our guests for tonight. Lori. Hello, Lori.
Hello. Hello.
Do you want to introduce yourself, Lori?
Sige. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man kayo nag-tune in, I'm Lori, mother of two, former OFW in Singapore. So yung last work ko is sa bank sa Singapore, and now for goodness dito sa Philippines, and a proud digital business owner. Thank you for the invite, Raquel.
No problem, Lori. Thank you for your introductions. And
Welcome.
let us welcome another guest, Lori, si Bing. Hello, Bing, also from the Philippines.
Hi everyone. Hi Lori. Hi sis. Raquel. Let me introduce myself.
Yes, please.
Okay. So well, thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much, sis Raquel, for having me. And I'm excited to be here. And my name is, by the way, my name is Vilma, a wife, a stepmom, and a proud grandma to our 7-year-old little man. And I was in the corporate world for 27 years, and I decided to step away and join my husband in retirement so we could focus on our well-being. And we moved from the USA to the Philippines over 3 years ago. And but prior to that, since I wasn't quite ready to fully retire because I'm not of retirement age yet. So I started looking for something flexible, and this is how I discovered this amazing digital business. And today, I am a proud digital business owner and mentor, helping others create freedom, time, and financial freedom.
Yay! Thank you, Bing. Thank you for those introductions, ladies. Thank you for gracing our live session for this afternoon. Tumambay na po sa ating tambayan ng Asenso at Tagumpay kung gusto po ninyong matutunan. If you want to learn how to earn online, if you want to have time freedom, if you want to build a legacy and pass it on to your children, you are in the right place. So yes, and to start off with our live interview today, so our subject matter is what does ACT mean to you? For most of us, ACT in our business, we have the training recently. They give out the ACT, meaning action changes things. But it can comprise so many different meanings. So we invite our guests here. What does ACT means to them? Let's start off with Lori here.
What
Lori,
does
what does
ACT
ACT
mean?
mean to you? Yeah.
What does ACT mean to me? Adapt. Yung A, I choose adapt. C is connect. And then T is thrive. So, kasi through this business, natutunan ko yung mag-adapt. Mag-adapt sa bagong environment, bagong tao, tapos bagong challenges. Then I learned to connect, not just with people, but with purpose. And because of that, I continue to thrive, not only financially, but emotionally and spiritually. Yun yung meaning ko ng ACT. Adapt,
Okay.
connect, and thrive.
Adapt, connect, and thrive. So,
Yes.
si Lori, ang kanya is adapt, connect, and thrive. So that's her own version of the ECT. It means act, action, shorter term for action. Action changes things. Ano naman tayo kay Vilma, kay Ate Bing. You wanna unmute yourself, sis? I'll unmute you.
Ate
Okay.
B.
Ate B. Okay, it's the hot seat is on you. The spotlight is on you, Bing.
Okay, so what ACT means to me? So that's a great question. For me it is awareness, courage, and take action. Um, um, ACT really came from my own life journey. A few years ago, I was diagnosed with a serious health issue. And that experience made me stop and reflect. It gave me a deep sense of awareness about what truly matters.
Mm.
And so when my husband retired, as I mentioned earlier, I decided to join him so we could both focus on our well-being and spend more quality time together. And that awareness opened my heart to new possibilities. And that's when I discovered the world of digital business. Then came courage. Courage, starting something new, something completely new was
Mm.
scary. I was scared, skeptical at the beginning. And I'm still scared, especially going live. But I told myself, if others can do it, why not me? I see it every day in our community of over 260,000 members globally that lots of our business partners are succeeding in this venture. So I took that leap of faith. So I choose courage over comfort and decided to trust the process. And then the taking action, because awareness and courage mean nothing if you don't act, right? So that's very important. Even though you are aware and you have the courage, but you don't take action, then nothing's gonna happen. So I started learning and applying what I learned, and showing up even on the hard days, and take one step at a time. So that's how ACT, awareness, courage, and take action, became my personal reminder to stay aware, stay brave, and keep moving forward no matter what.
Wow, that's a very inspiring story, Ate Bing. Yeah, awareness, courage, and take action. Marami talaga siyang pwedeng maging meaning. Sa akin naman is aspire, create, and transform. So, I was aspiring to be, not to be someone else, but something that I can provide and leave for my children. I was aspiring for building something that I can, leave on for my children as a legacy, and also create that future for them. So, aspire, create, and transform yung aking meaning for the ECT action. Okay, so let's jump on to our second question, which is, any personal experiences that made an impact with regards to your personal version of your act? We go to
Ano po
Vilma.
yan? Oh, 3A. Ay, hindi. 19 to. Walang nakatira dito eh. Hindi ko lang sure ah. Hindi ko alam kung dito or dito sa kabila.
You're muted, darling. There you go.
Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so
Good.
personal experiences. Yes, absolutely, sis. One of the biggest turning points for me was during my recovery, with my health challenge. That season made me aware of how precious time is, and
Mm.
how much I wanted a life with more freedom and purpose. I wanted to enjoy each day with my husband and loved ones, but also still create something meaningful, something that I can call my own, since I stepped away from my corporate job. And that's when I found courage to step into the digital business world. I had no experience and lots of fears, of course. But I reminded myself that change only happens when change only happens when we moved beyond our comfort zone, right?
Mm. Mm.
Because if we stay in our comfort zone, then if we don't do anything about it, then nothing change. Because nothing changes if nothing changes. So then I took action. Of course, I showed up, learned from mentors, from our mentors of incredible community that we have,
Mm.
and from our training. And I stayed consistent even when progress was low. And over time, I started see growth in myself. Not just in my business, but in myself. Personal growth, that I'm able to, for example, like this one, like I'm able to speak, being interviewed by you, and reaching out. Right, this is for me, this nung bago pa lang ako nag-start ng business, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ay hindi ko kayang gawin yan. But when you are in there, that with the guidance of our training, our mentors, and our community, you'll be surprised that things that you think na hindi mo kayang gawin, na kaya mo pala, na you have that in you, yung ganun. So that journey taught me that awareness opens your eyes, courage opens your heart, and action opens the door to transformation.
Wow, I like that. Wow, that's really inspiring.
Thank you,
And
sis.
also, yeah, I can relate to that statement that you made, that there's nothing, uh, there's not no changes will occur if you don't want, if you don't act on it. Okay, so walang mangyayari na pagbabago sa iyo kung ikaw mismo ayaw mong subukan yung pagbabago na yon, di ba?
Yes, yes.
So, and lahat naman tayo gusto nating magkaroon ng pagbabago. Pero takot tayo na subukan yung, halimbawa, lumabas dun sa comfort zone, like what you said there. We are too scared to step out of our comfort zone dahil we don't know what's gonna happen outside that comfort zone. So, yun yung pumipigil sa atin para tayo ay maging better sa ating sarili. So, let's move to Lori. Lori, any experiences that made impact in your life or in your business from your personal version?
Papa.
Nag-mute.
Ayan. Sorry
Ah,
kanina, I need to exit kasi si kuya kanina pa siya pabalik-balik, may hinahanap siyang bahay which is hindi pala akala ko kasi yung delivery ko. So, hindi pala 'tong bahay na 'to hinahanap niya sa ewan ko kung saan. So, anyway, personal experience that made an impact dun sa act ko 'no, I've learned to live with gratitude every day. Um, Grateful heart talaga every day, even in simple things. Kasi before starting this business, hindi ako yung ganun ka ano eh. Hindi yung pagising ko, I'm thankful na nagising ako. Alam mo
Mm.
yon yung feeling na gigising ako tapos sasabihin ko na naman, ayan na naman, papasok na naman ako sa opisina. Alam mo yun? Yung ganong feeling. So, through this business, I've learned to live a grateful heart. So everyday pagising ko, talaga nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. And also yung na-learn ko din yung Psalm 23, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So everyday din, yan sinasabi ko siya. Tapos being part of this journey taught me so much about personal growth. To adapt with grace, tapos to connect not just with amazing people, but also with God and to thrive in all aspects of life. Kasi before, parang ano lang ako, I was just surviving. Alam mo yon yung papasok
Mm.
ka,
Mm.
gigising ka, papasok ka, tapos uwi ka ng bahay, tapos gano'n na naman tutulog, tapos uwi na naman, ay ano na naman, bangon na naman. Alam mo yon repeat cycle ba? Tapos parang hindi ka nagtatrive, you're just surviving. Pero ngayon, I'm thriving with purpose, with peace, at saka with gratitude. So, malaki talaga yung impact ng business na to. Yung personal experiences ko, iba talaga sa mula nung nag-start ako nitong business na to. And as I go along the way, mas lalo yung na-experience ko na hindi ko siya na-experience before nung hindi pa ako lumalabas sa comfort zone ko. So, doing this go live, doing this business, alam mo yun, yung sa social media ka,
Mm.
super talagang nag-ano ka eh, outside na your comfort zone na talaga eh. Pero iba
Evolve
talaga
ka na.
yung balik. Oo, iba talaga yung balik sa'yo na kapag ka umalis ka dun sa comfort zone mo eh. Kasi meron ka ng tinitignan na, alam mo yun, yung bigger dreams and alam mo na maaabot mo yon, magiging successful ka in the future. So, ayun.
Wow, o ayan, ladies and gentlemen, followers, and those people who have tuning in, who are tuning in for the first time on our session for today, Tambayan ng Asenso at Tagumpay. Ang laki ng pagbabago na narinig ninyo sa ating mga guests dito, sa ating mga panauhin. Their lives has been changed. They were a better version of themselves since they have started this online business. So if you are looking for time freedom, if you are looking for a business opportunity that will not only provide you financial stability, but will also give you personal development, some aspiration to be a better person, you are on the right place. Narinig ninyo sa ating mga testimony, sa ating mga sagot na ating mga panauhin dito na simula nung since they have stepped out of their comfort zone, even myself, ganun din ako, malaki po ang nabago sa aming buhay. Hindi lang naging monotonous, hindi naging puro monotonous lifestyle ang naging buhay namin. We are excited for life. We are grateful. We are learning and we are growing every single day. So, if you are watching and new to our Tambayan ng Asenso at Tagumpay, tumambay na or mag-inquire sa aming website. Meron po kaming complimentary webinar happening twice a week, Wednesday and Thursday. So you can log on to Lori's website or Vilma here to her website or get in touch with them through their business pages. So kung bago po kayo, wala pong mawawala sa inyo. Nothing to lose, a lot to gain from this business opportunity. Okay, Doc. So, any
Okay,
Let's
dokie.
sum it up. Ladies, any parting words or any anything to add with regards to our amazing and thriving online business? Lori,
Ako muna.
ikaw muna.
Um, any parting words? Talaga parting words? Sa mga ano,
Invitation.
sa mga fence-sitters, so face your fears. Start now habang may lakas pa kayo at saka oras. Ito yung lagi kong sinasabi. So habang meron pa kayong lakas, habang meron pa kayong oras, face your fears. Sa mga nangangarap ng magandang buhay para sa mga anak nila, para sa family nila, 'di ba? Magandang future. Sa mga naglolong na makasama nila yung mga anak nila habang may oras pa. At sa mga ayaw ng nakakaraos lang, 'di
Hmm.
ba? Take the leap of faith. So yun yung
Yes.
masasabi ko.
That's true.
Learn and improve yourself. Kasi once you improve yourself, darating yung success eh. But don't expect na get rich quick scheme to ha. Kasi success needs time. So, yun lang, take note. Habang may oras pa kayo, habang may lakas pa kayo, do the ano na, do the mag ano na kayo, mag ano ba to, go out of your comfort zone, face your fears. Kasi kung hindi natin i-face yung fears natin, kung hindi tayo mag-go out of our comfort zone, wala, ma-stuck tayo sa kung nasaan tayo. So kung gusto nyo, after 5 years, gusto nyo na nakikita nyo na yung sarili nyo na successful kayo, nabigyan nyo na ng magandang kinabukasan yung mga anak nyo at makakasama nyo na palagi yung mga anak nyo, yun na, take the leap of faith. So check nyo tong business namin and walang mawawala sa inyo. Kasi ito na yung for sure opportunity na pinagdadasal nyo. So yun lang.
Yan.
Salamat
Oh,
sis.
Ate
Yay.
Vil.
Oh,
Yeah, your
wow.
turn.
Should I invite them again?
Yes. Last words, last invitation
Last
from
word. Wow.
your. Yeah.
Okay, so if our, our story resonates with you, and if you love to learn more about how this digital business works, and or how you can start your own journey, feel free to reach out to us or message us. Our website is on the screen, and that know that we are not here to convince you, and don't take our word for it. Check this out. Check this business out because it is truly an amazing opportunity. You know, ang dami nang nag-retire sa business na ito. Dahil sa business na ito, nag-retire sila ng early. So, if you are looking for that time and financial freedom, and if you are looking for more time with your family, as what Sis Lori mentioned earlier, na kung gusto nyong, mabigyan ng, we're not saying that, we're not promising anything, as we have said, this is not no overnight success. This is a real business that you need to work on. Kasi ang business na ito ay legit. Nagbabayad kami ng taxes, nagbabayad ng taxes kasi legitimate tax registered. And so if you are looking for something that is legit and that we have everything that you need, reach out to us. We're here to help.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Yes, kung kayo po ay nangangarap na magtagumpay at umasenso sa buhay, wala po kayong dapat gawin kundi manood ng aming complimentary webinar. Provide your email and name dun sa aming complimentary webinar. Wala lang po kayong gagawin kundi panoorin yon at ma-inspire sa nilalaman, sa content ng workshop na yun. And I'm pretty sure mai-inspire kayo dahil we are globally recognized as a business. Dahil marami po kayong testimonies na maririnig doon sa webinar na yun. And also, you will get to see our business model and also our training system in place kung paano po namin niraran ang aming online business. So, what are you waiting for? Log on to our complimentary webinar and see for yourself. Just don't take our word for it. See for yourself. Okay, ladies? Thank you
Yes.
very much, everybody.
Thank you.
Yes, God
Thank
bless
you
you.
so much.
Have a wonderful Wednesday. Ingat po. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. God bless
Bye.
everyone.
God bless.